wanted gangster Anmol Bishnoi, we are learning, who has been extradited from the US, has now landed in India. That is the big breaking news of the moment. Gangster Anmol Bishnoi, brother of jailed criminal Lawrence Bishnoi, dragged back to India by our security agencies. He is the prime accused in multiple high-profile cases, including the murder of former Maharashtra Minister Baba Siddiqui, and was also named in the killing of Sidhu Moosewala. We'll go across to my colleague Ishan, who's been reporting live from outside the Delhi IGI airport. Ishan, tell us what's happening around you. Give us the latest details. We're learning that he has finally been dragged back and he's landed on Indian soil.
Absolutely. Anmol Bishnoi's plane has landed. He, along with 199 other prisoners, 3 criminals and 197 deportees, have landed. And this is the gate behind me. And this is the gate behind me from which he will be coming out in a few moments. Anmol Bishnoi this is the high security gate where all the VIP movement takes place, and we'll be seeing that Anmol Bishnoi will be brought out of these gates in just a few moments. Delhi police teams have deployed heavy security in the region, wherein bomb squad and sniffer dogs were brought here to check all the cars. Now from here NIA teams are already present inside the terminal, who have taken custody of him, and they will be bringing him out of the and they will be bringing him out in just a few moments. He is expected to be landing in. He is expected to be brought out after completion of immigration processes. Anmol Bishnoi, the wanted gangster, who is the brother of Lawrence Bishnoi. However, his nephew has urged the central government to ensure that his safety is being taken care of. This is the VIP gate of Terminal 3 at Indira Gandhi International Airport. And in a few short moments from now, Anmol Bishnoi, who is wanted in 18 different cases across multiple states, will be brought to India via this gate. Once his handover has taken completed from the American authorities to Indian authorities, he will thereafter be taken to the NIA building, where possibly his medical test will be done. Post medical test, he will be brought to the court and be presented before a magistrate for remand purposes. Now, this current case is being led by NIA, and the initial lead agency is NIA for this entire case. However, he is wanted in 18 different cases across India, including high-profile cases such as Sidhu Moosewala murder, the murder of the NCP leader, and most importantly, firing of bullets outside Salman Khan's house.